Yo, what is up, everybody? I hope you guys are having a beautiful, beautiful Monday. I know that I have. Let's get into this. We got a BTC update. We got a trade setup that we just went through, and we'll kind of walk everybody through it to explain how all that works. And then we're also going to bring up Bitcoin price action, where we are, where we think we're headed, and everything in between, in hopefully 5 minutes or less. So let's get into this. This is what I posted to the family on the 7th at around like 8 a.m. my time. So I posted saying, I think we're done with the C wave. We did hold. We got to 10K. We bounced. We then came back tested this white line for support, and held. Now, why this is so critical is because we had this red support box, right? Like, as long as we were inside this red support box, we are very bullish. We're still okay in the heavy support box, but this box really is nice to see. And then we saw the golden cross that still played out on the 1 hour, which was beautiful. Right, so that's definitely an indication that maybe we're going to see some bullish momentum. Bullish cross as well as holding the support line. Now we fast forward to the RSI, and we were kind of in a stalemate. We did have some bullish divergence. I said, hey, we're getting critical here, guys. And then I made this post saying we are critical. We're sitting at the 0.5 fib. If we can't run up soon, I really think 10K will be tested. But if we can make that push, let's go, baby. I'm bullish. And I told people that I remained bullish. But right now, my stance remains bullish. I want a bounce here. I want a freaking bounce here. And what happened? We got a bounce, baby. We got our bounce right here. 2 days and 4 hours later, we're up like 8.5%. But who cares, right? Yada, yada, yada. You guys made money. Good for you. But why? Why did we make money, and why didn't you potentially? Is it because you didn't see this video? You're not in the family? Make sure you get plugged in. But it's about learning these trade setups and learning that it's kind of mathematical and technical as to how we come up with these areas of value, right? So looking at this, we were looking at the 0.5 Fibonacci level that we had been testing in this red support box. Now, that's why I drew this yellow line right here. And I said, if we can get above this, I think we're bullish, guys. And we did. We absolutely freaking murdered it. As well as, not to mention, we had a golden cross. We got above the 0.5 Fibonacci. And it looked like we were showing an inverse head and shoulders on the 1 hour and the 4 hour time scales. With this being a shoulder, this being a shoulder, and then this coming in for your head, may not have played out, but it looks like it has. And now we're retesting this neckline, which is where we are now. So if you could get above here, one would think that your next slowdown point would be in the 13,000s, 13, which is where this green line is, as well as this yellow line. These are two areas. I guess I can turn this to yellow. But these are two different areas of value that I would be looking for if we can get above here. If not, then I think we're coming back down. But we're already 8.5% wealthier than we were before, just by knowing those few things, right? Now, as we look to the RSI, we can totally see that we did break out of that wedge, which was nice. Back here, we saw that bullish divergence. We cracked out, which is like right here when I took the picture. And we've absolutely made higher highs with price and RSI. So everything has played out so far. But those are some of the indicators as to why I was leaning to the bullish side, is because we had chart pattern development. Candlestick analysis looked really great. RSI looked okay. Volume was right? It just kind of had all the makings, for what we look for. So hopefully you guys learned something from that. If not, keep plugging in, keep tuning in, and learn and study, because it takes time. I don't expect you guys to understand all of this stuff overnight. It took me a while. It will you too. But I promise you, investing in yourself is the best investment you can make. So that's my thoughts for the future as to where I think we're going next. I would like to see us get up to the 13,000 mark, somewhere in there, and I would be A-okay. All right. I freaking love you guys. Make sure you hit that like, the bell, the sub. You know what to do when we do what we do. Make sure you guys also check in the Discord. Come say hi. That's where you can catch us off stream. Ask me any questions. Get plugged into the family. All the good stuff in between. All right. I will see you guys next time. Peace.